So how to use this Old English scratch cover, say, for light woods. So as you can see, my dining table is, we got this actually from a friend, used already. So actually it's still, for me, it's still very, it's a nice table. And you can see the wood is thick and it's heavy though. That's why I can't let go of this table. Even though my husband is trying to tell me if I want to change, we can change. But I said no, I'm good for it. But there are some, I will show you. We have to remove some of this chair. So if you can see here, there's some, like maybe they use a wet cloth to wipe it. That's why the color is a little bit faded. But I heard about this Old English scratch cover, so I want to try it. So we'll see how it goes for this table. You can see the wood is so thick. It's heavy. I'm going to do, I have an old shirt. There's an old shirt. We don't need something because after this we're going to throw away all this cloth. But first I'm gonna wipe it just to remove the dust. You know, we need to be smart, so to restore some of our old furniture. So if you can see one of my video, I put varnish on this and I really like the color now. So this is the Old English scratch cover for light wood. So we have to shake it first. There's no smell, guys. No smell at all. Because before I start, I try to search on YouTube what will be the effect. And it's a lot more different than the varnish, because the varnish for me 2 days, actually 1 day, and then we have to open the fan or the exhaust fan the whole night to get rid of the like a little bit of smell of the varnish. And my husband is so worried about it. But this Old English doesn't have a smell. So what we have to do, this white cloth, make sure to use a cloth that you don't need after that. You just need to throw this away. Nakapagpadala nga dito sa Pilipinas. Yan, para siyang oil. Based on sa napanood ko sa YouTube, you have to apply this at least every 6 months. Kasi minsan kakapunas natin, no? Kaya actually ginagawa ko dito, ginagamit ko yung blade for wood talaga. Yan, super kintab na niya. As in. Mahilig lang talaga ako, guys, sa mga ganito, ganyan. Kahit dun sa Pilipinas, mahilig ako magkarpentero. Tingnan nyo yung difference. Diba? Shining na siya. Wow. As in. Wala siyang amoy, as in. So, ito na yung kinalabasan ng in-applyan natin ng Old English cover scratch. Napaka-shiny na siya and smooth yung texture ng table, as in, parang bagong-bago. So, ito yung gusto ko talaga, yung super shiny, as in, nagbago yung parang ano ng wood natin. Diba? So, yan, napaka-convenient para sa ating mga babae. Parang naglilinis lang tayo, less smell, wala siyang odor, walang amoy, parang normal lang, ganyan. So, ayan, pag gusto nyong i-refurbish yung mga furniture nyo, yan, Old English. So, kung nakikita nyo last week, ayan din yung ginawa kong binarnisan. So, okay na siya. As in, from old to bagong varnish. So, as in, shiny. Para sa akin kasi, buying a furniture is not supposed to be a yearly, right? So, like what I said, yung asawa ko palagi yung sinasabi, if you want to change the dining table, we can change it. But I think I'm good for it kasi nga pwede ko pa naman siyang, ngayon super happy na ako kasi shiny, hindi ko na siya papalitan, as in. At saka gusto ko yung thick texture ng wood kasi mabigat siya. Pwede ko nga lang itong ipadala sa Pilipinas, ipapadala ko, pero I'm sure mahabigat. We'll see kung ano yung table na to. Ayan, so thank you so much, guys, diba? Super shiny na siya. Ayan, beautiful. Thank you so much to the one who introduced us the Old English. I'm so happy for it.